Question 8 is lifted straight from Learning Outcome 34, so you should have a note of that. The calculations are at the back, so you can just check them. Just let me know if there's any you're not sure of. 10, just to be clear, 10A is a calculation, AP equals mgh, so that's how much energy the brick has by being up high. The answer to 10B is simply the same, because once that stored energy is released when you let the brick grow, then you will get that back. So it will be lost from potential and converted into other form. And the answer to 10C is the main form of energy that would be converted into would be kinetic. If we're being really precise, we could talk about a wee bit of heat and a wee bit of noise because of friction, but the main type would be kinetic energy. Now the main one I wanted to look through with you was number 11, this once again, an estimate one. Now I did give you a worked example similar to this sort of one. So in the question you're told the height, we're listing our variables. We assume it's on Earth unless it tells us otherwise, so we know that G is 9.8, but we have to estimate the mass. So a reasonable estimate for a student would be around about 50 kilograms, but you could probably pick anywhere between 25 up to 80 or 90 even. Would all be reasonable estimates. Remember, there's not a single correct answer to this. And then once you've got those values, or whatever values you picked as your estimate, you can substitute into our formula and calculate the answer, and we get 14,700 joules. And the other two are calculations. You can check the answers for yourself.